Alright, we had some comments about the new barge and the tanks from the fueler. The ones that have 3 sections held together by 2 electronic sections in between. Working well. So if we've got a shift or a ship, we don't. There's a refueling one, but that's a level 5. We don't do level 5s anymore. Okay, well, we'll just have to do heavy cargo this time. A very successful run previously to this. Just grab a key real quick.
Welcome to Venetron 9000.
Back to the yard, boys. Now that we've figured out the position for cutting all sides,
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
sometimes they ask for these. They did. Okay. So this one, I might hit the antenna, but that's okay. Not worried about that. Hey, I did. Is it furnace time? Yes, it is. I've never seen a work order for antennas.
Material deposited.
It's a really wide position. This will be 3 of them. I guess this could be the other 3. There goes the rail gate. It's interesting. It's a nice showpiece. It's the mass relay system of this universe. Which honestly, if we had a shipyard like this, and space work was this simple, this easy,
Raw
with
material
resurrection capability, I'm sure we would have a system for interstellar and especially intergalactic travel at this point. Okay, single doors. Sometimes they're in a pair.
Airlock pressure levels dropping.
Not really gonna check the work order objective yet.
Deposit
I basically know what our options are.
Airlock pressure levels increasing.
What we will have to do. Last time we missed one. I'm not gonna make that mistake again. Separated. Okay. Just drifted a bit. Yeah, we're recharged.
Air pressure
Light it
levels
open
increasing.
here. Let's go back here. Hopefully my neighbors won't destroy this recording. We've been lucky so far. But you know how luck is. It's only a matter of time. Usually It's okay. Usually try to get a little safer around that coolant. Be careful the front, we don't want to separate that yet. We want the pressurized section of the flight deck to push the front of this ship off. The lighting level change here that we've noticed, I think it's you had two choices. You either make the work light work better, or you change the contrast ratio or gamma within the ship, and they've chose the latter, which makes the light not even really necessary. Because the light is off right now. Now it's on. Don't even need it. Let's get the door off. You usually do the left side first, I don't know why. It is further away. I believe, oh no, they started putting the ships in center of the dock now, so that's not really a point anymore. Missed one somewhere. Can't do that. That's good, that's good, that's good. That's fine. Rail is free. Okay, let's just take it from a different spot then. It's like the ones with 2 doors. Sorry, 4 doors. No, it's okay, it's going. Let's just add one more to be safe, because I was wasting some time with that. Alright, that's pretty good. Most of that side is gone. We have to get this perfect spot. Does this have enough left on it? Not really. There's only one. Okay. While we wait for that to make the trip, let's go to the other side. I could put more tethers on it. We still want to get all of these storage boxes down there. Shipping containers. Let's eject the fuel. Cross your fingers. Oh, I shouldn't have cut that. That was the one supporting the forward section. Keeping it sealed.
Valuable object processed. Credits deposited.
We weren't exactly ready for that. It's okay. This one goes. That's it. Send it up. Right, door's clear. Let's find this edge.
Object accepted for processing. Credit.
We've got about 5 minutes left in this shift, Cutter. Don't bite off more than you can chew.
There it goes, starting to split. Slowly but surely, let's go. What is going on? Something's missed. That might be it right there. That was it. This side always is more, I don't know why, just slightly different geometry. I don't think we missed one. Let's check. We've wasted a lot of time. Lower section's clear. That corner is clear. This is completely, well, that is the second one, not the first one. The first one is right here. It's gone. It's cut. It's clear. Well, maybe here. Maybe. It's still not moving. We'll just send these down what we can for now. Hopefully the tethers will figure themselves out.
Salvage secured. Account
Take the
credit
lower
applied.
section. It stopped, so add another one.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
It's always this side that gives us problems. Right there.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Yeah, someone had mentioned that the barge changes the refueling ships, and those are the biggest ones so far.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Those ones are pretty fun. Okay, perfect. Please just go. Okay, it's going forward, going forward. It's shaking off. Kind of cut it in the wrong order, that's okay. It's still shaking, we're good. Yes, it blew itself right off. Perfect, that's exactly what we want. That won't always happen depending on the order you cut these. There's some room from error, but not much.
Alright, Cutter. Wrap it up. You got
That is
about a minute
perfect.
left.
Secured. Account credit applied. Salvage
All right,
secured.
Heavy.
Credits deposited.
It's a bad tether. Hopefully it turns. Nope, didn't turn fast enough. Still had 5 tethers left. That's pretty bad.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
That was it. Yeah, that was good. 2.7, not our most shining achievement. Okay, so the background still is like the last frame of the time we were in game. Let's check our work order from here. Power generator. Oh, wow. We have to get electrical this time. And metal. Metal and carbon. It's pretty high for LT. Fuel, we always get that. Regulators, no problem. Shipping containers, 2 left. Rail guide. That's it. The electrical one overlaps with the regulator. Those count. I think the regulator should count as electrical and mechanical because of electrical needs plus the mechanical operation of moving air in and out. That is a mechanical process. I guess if it was some sort of ion plating, you could move ionized air electrically and not mechanically, but let's just continue. I'm trying to check these real quick, see what they are. What do we need of ion rings? Well, we can't finish that one here. 30 high grade antenna, none on this ship. One of those, none of those. Mackerels, we don't really do mackerels anymore. Detail oriented. 100 vintage bottles. Food packs, posters. Okay, so posters, we'll work on that. What do we have left here? High grade antenna, rings. We can get that pretty quickly. 10 ships. Once we get all of the stickers, then we'll start placing them. I haven't even looked it up. I have no idea what placing them means, where they go. I can start to hear my neighbors. Hopefully that won't destroy this recording. Tether stopped.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Yeah, there was one more coolant. We need to remember we're getting electrical as well this time. Here's our coolant clear. I'll just pull the rest of them anyway because they can cause problems. Not as dangerous as fuel, but there still could be an issue. Let's put 5 on there. 5 by 5. This is furnace metal, which we do need this time.
Raw material processed. Credits deposited.
The metal section, perfect. Let's do some blasting. But first, we're gonna make sure we separate the top. so the blasting will help push this away. Just gonna get real close. Worry about an explosion.
Valuable object processed. Credits awarded.
Okay. We're gonna stand right by the fuel. Not bad. I think the tether stopped. Yes, it did. Let's clean this up a bit. Get the fuel out of here. What is this? Tiny piece, an edge of something.
Valuable object
I think that's
processed.
free,
Credits
actually.
awarded.
It is. So is that. That is not. That is not.
Valuable
Okay,
object
looks
processed.
clear there.
Credits deposited.
Right over.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Let's get out of the way a little bit.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
They're still just bouncing around.
Salvage secured. Credits
I
deposited.
think there should be a little logic where positioning of an object that has one end of it in the tether in there should stop once it crosses that border right there. The tether shuts off.
Salvage secured.
I mean,
Account credit applied.
yeah, that should just happen. Just get these out of the way.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
Fire grapple. Actually, let's split this off on this side just to be sure. Should have cut this earlier when we were down,
Credits deposited.
getting the outer hull removed. It's still in the way. Okay, let's deal with that. Hopefully it doesn't hit that coolant pipe. Okay, perfect. We missed. This went way too far. It must have bounced.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
And that looks free, yes. Do need electrical. This will be 3 shifts. We can't do electrical once under 2.
Salvage destroyed. Please revisit your training.
This will be clear right there.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Oh, I should have cut that too. Looks good. That's that whole ship. Yeah, this is the better side to take these from.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited. Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
It's going pretty fast. Let's back this up a bit. I don't know why this side won't pull. It's pretty loose now, it should. Yeah, it's good now. Let's get on this other side.
Caution. Tether supplies running low.
Yeah, we really burnt through this shift. Alright, let's go back, tank up, get some more tethers. Man, we're going way too fast.
Welcome to Metatron 9000. Have a nice day.
See, now our oxygen is almost none used. It's like that first, whoa, what the hell? How did that happen? Oh, it's like perfectly locked in there. We lost it.
Material deposited.
I lost it, yep. Wasn't paying attention and let it go. It must have bounced very far because we were on the opposite side. I had that thing tethered to here. That's okay. Sometimes I should have removed this first, which I normally do, and then that tether easily goes into place. So I did remove it from our list, which is, I can't believe this is still here. Did remove it from our work objective, which is good.
Valuable object. Credits awarded.
So, try that again with this one. See how far it swings around? Like, I don't know about that, guys. I don't know.
Alright, Cutter, you got 5 minutes left of this shift before they turn the lights out on you. Pitter patter. We wrap.
We didn't need the hoist, so that
Credits
doesn't matter.
deposited.
It's a door. Metal's complete somehow. I guess there's two types, metals that go in the furnace and metal that's processed. I guess both count. That's okay.
Valuable object processed. Credits awarded.
That's counted as
Salvage
mechanical,
secured.
so that's not
Count
gonna
credit
matter.
applied.
Yeah, we could probably pull the reactor 2 this time. We do need electrical, so we want to get all 3 fuses, which we normally do that anyway. So we're good there. Alright, let's just do this. Light switches don't count.
deposited.
There's
Air
our
pressure
vintage
level
pop
decreasing.
soda. Depending on where you are. It's a furnace though. I believe in the southern part of the United States they call it Coke. Coke is for any pressurized, carbonated drink.
Salvage deposit accepted.
What kind of Coke do you
Credit
want? I
transferred.
want Coke. What kind of Coke do you want? I want Pepsi.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
Turn that off. Or soda pop. You use them both.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
$17.
Salvage secured. Account credit applied.
These ones always go crazy. They still count though.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits transferred.
This one got zapped twice. It's probably down for the count. Now it's so good. It's still good.
Salvage secured. Credits deposited.
Minute left. What can we do? I need to check the two pressurized loading docks,
Cutter,
or
we're getting down to the wire.
not loading
Let's put
docks,
a bow on this shift.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits
just the
transferred.
entry locks, air locks. Okay, let's grab this one real quick, get them apart. They don't like to be around each other. By the next shift, well, that'll be out of the way. Oh yeah, we didn't do the reactor yet.
Salvage
It's okay, we'll do it
secured.
next shift.
Account credit applied.
Is that free? No, this one is not. We have to split this in half still. It's okay. That was 5.8. If I would have pulled the reactor, that would have been 8.8, which that would have been our highest shift ever. Alright, let's check our work order. What do we have left? Rail guide, we know. Unfortunately, we just needed a tiny bit more. Just electrical, 4 more. Let's check our equipment real quick. Everything's good. We gotta hurry. The annoying existence above us is back. There's one. There's 2. The third one's over here. There it is. Just one more. Get this out of here. One more electrical. That's not going to be a problem. Not at all. You know what? I'm just going to take it from here.
Processing valuable object. Credits awarded.
We're done. Drag this whole thing in.
Work order is complete.
What we need to do is check the, let's see, the reactor's gotta go. So let's do that. Wow, that shifted quite a bit. Is it gonna be a problem? I don't think so. It's a good idea that the coolant stays pressurized even with power loss. I agree with that. This is gonna
Reactor
be a little...
meltdown triggered. Action urgently required.
Quickly take that down. There we go. I'd still hit it a little bit. It's okay.
Salvage secured.
It's not
Credits
worth
deposited.
work objective, but it's worth a lot, so we definitely do that every time. Let's get this out of here. See now, look, it's like, it's not even touching it. Like, that shouldn't be a thing. Environmental control units, worth taking. It's usually an objective. So we just do that out of habit.
Object accepted for processing. Credits deposited.
Take that. We need to check the air logs. I have a feeling that one of them
Salvage
held a data
secured.
drive last
Count
time,
credit applied.
and our perfect run wasn't so perfect. All it was missing was a drive. I looked where it normally is. I can't tell what's going on. I knew that would happen.
Valuable object processed.
Should have done this before I separated those, because there would have been more mass to stop it from... I don't think I could save that. Maybe this.
Salvage deposit accepted. Credits
No.
transferred.
The gravity well's got it. Now we have to do that again. Only this time we're gonna try it differently. It's okay when it's a big opening, I guess it moves less. Okay. It's not as fun, but I understand it. It's really close to our furnace too, that's nice. This we're going to send opposite side just because it's an easier angle. It would have been very steep on this side. Alright,
Processing
this
valuable
can
object.
all be
Credits awarded.
incinerated. We're right here. It doesn't like that pull on that edge. But it's pretty light, it shouldn't move it, no problem. I think the plating should go into the barge, not the processor, but that's me. Oh, this massive piece. You know what, we're gonna leave it all as one piece, see what happens.
Deposit accepted.
Oh, I didn't know those could, wait. Those are the rudders. I thought that might go into the, it's a lot of mass. 1600. You know what, we do need to kind of reduce this mass. That can go. Even though they're going in the same place. Oh, that's not really enough to even matter. Not enough to matter. Didn't see the data drive this time. Normally it's here. Whatever, let's just send this.
Valuable object processed.
Can't believe that stopped pulling already. Yeah, I can see why it moves around a bit. I mean, that's not... We've definitely moved things a lot heavier than that. A lot more mass than that. That have a lot more mass than that. That sounds right. We've got 7 minutes, we're not doing another shift, so it has to be here. You know what? Let's just make this, turn the tethers off, split it down the middle. Let's see what happens with this.
Raw material processed. Credits deposited.
Yeah, well, you know what? We'll just finish it off. This should do it. Thruster cap gone, that's fine. We're not in need of any. But didn't do it. You have to do it again. Why did that glitch out like that? This isn't a haunted ship. How old are you? 17? If anyone can figure out what movie that's from, you will win everything.
Cutter, there's 5 minutes remaining in this shift. Get in while the getting's good. We wrap.
Processing valuable objects. Credits awarded.
Okay, let's just wait for that. And we're out of here. How much mass? Kilograms? 1,000,000. This little thing is 1,000,000, over 1,000,000, 1.2 million kilograms. It's gotta be super dense. And these are
Valuable object
200,000.
processed. Credits deposited.
The jack, is that they call them. It's like it's a mass well or a tethering point. Yeah, we don't need that. Let's get out of here. Not bad for a final shift. Airlock 75. Air console, titanium, not much value there. That's the, is that the dock? No. Rudder? Yeah, that usually goes with it though. There's our cap. 3 of those. And destroyed. Okay.